The Lagos State government has urged youths to consider joining the Nigerian Army's 89 regular recruit intake, stating that joining the Army is not a death sentence. The call was made to dispel misconceptions about military service and to encourage young men and women to serve their state and nation with pride and integrity. This appeal was made by the State Secretary to the government, Bimbola Salu Iyundeyin, during sensitization campaigns held across various local councils in the state. The campaign aligns with the federal government's directives to states to support efforts aimed at strengthening the military capacity. Salu Iyundeyin addressed a variety of groups, including youths, traditional rulers, community leaders, and parents, explaining the importance of correcting the widespread misconception that military service is synonymous with danger or death. The SSG highlighted the declining interest among indigenous youth in joining the army and urged the community to reverse this trend. She stressed the importance of Lagos youth filing their quotas in military recruitment so that they can aspire to and achieve top-ranking positions within the military. Reaffirming the support from Governor Sanwo-Olu, Salu Iyundeyin assured that Lagos State government would provide necessary welfare support for candidates from the state throughout the recruitment process, including registration, training, and beyond. While this has sparked mixed reactions from Nigerians, share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.